Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatima. Welcome to my channel Cook with Fatima. Today we are going to make yummy and easy breakfast recipe pancakes. For that we need 1 egg, 1/4 cup sugar, pinch of salt, half cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk this well. Now we will add all the dry ingredients, 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Again whisk this well. And make a fine batter with even dripping consistency. Make sure there is no lumps in the batter. Take a pan and grease some oil. Take 1/4 cup batter and spread it evenly in a pan. Cook it in a medium to low flame and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You can see the bubble formation on the top. Now, after 2 minutes, flip it and again cook it for 1.5 minutes. Our yummy breakfast pancake recipe is ready. Serve this with some honey on the top and enjoy. Guys, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, please do follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.